Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can disable chat in Zoom. So in order to do that, you have to visit the official Zoom web portal that is discoverable at the zoom.us web address. Once at the official Zoom website, make sure to log into your Zoom account, which you can do by tapping over here. Then at the bottom you'll have the sign in or even sign up options. After you have logged into your Zoom account, go for the My Account blue button over here, tap on it. At the drop down menu at the top of the page, go for Settings. In here we have a bunch of configurations, so instead of going through all of them, we can just use the search, enter the chat, and once the chat toggle is found, which was at the in meeting basic field of settings or category of settings, all that it's left to do in order to turn it off is to disable this toggle. Then tap on a disable option to confirm your choice, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.